Hello and welcome to this video. I am Sarvesh Kutti, founder of Auris Wealth, your family's wealth partner. In this video, we are going to look at how we have created a bucket-based system which allows an retired professional to consistently generate, an income per month without completely depleting their portfolio, and also to grow their wealth over the years in the time of retirement. So this is a simple plan for 1 lakh rupee a month income and building retirement savings that lasts forever, and how to get a steady monthly income that grows with rising prices so you never run out of money. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we need to understand what are the wealth killers. So most people do this kind of investing, which is the amateur way of investing, or retail way of thinking. They chase immediate past returns, which is they just blindly invest in funds of the last 2 years, 1 year, 3 year top performing funds. They assume that the previous high performers will guarantee tomorrow's results. But mostly you will see that any fund that has performed well in the past usually underperforms in the future, and new funds emerge as the top performers in the future. Second is they buy funds blindly and they select investment like they are clothes on mannequin, hoping that they will fit them as well, which means in simple words that people just blindly put their investments in anything that they see online, or they just get a recommendation from somebody, or when they hear that somebody has made money in one set particular fund, they just blindly invest it, and essentially they think that they are also going to replicate that result, but that doesn't happen. And third is they have very low conviction about their investments. The low conviction is mainly because they have no idea about why they are investing, what is the purpose for the investment in a particular theme or a fund or a category of investments. And they have short horizons because they have no conviction. As soon as the market turns, they quickly realize that they are in the wrong place and they just exit. And even though they think that they want to stay invested for long term, but they just exit in a short duration. So they allocate a tiny fraction of wealth for a brief period of time, and kind of keep on churning their portfolio, and hence result in no wealth creation at all over the years. But to have a proper wealth architecture, the way we do at Auris Wealth for our clients, the difference is very clear. We plan for cyclical realities because we understand that markets are cyclical. So you need to have a portfolio which will at least perform consistently over all cycles, where we understand that markets are going to be lumpy, which means that few years the returns will be high, few years it will be less, few years will be negative years as well. So one has to understand that the market is non-linear and we need to be prepared for all seasons of the market. Secondly, we have been build our clients portfolio around proper investment objectives, and we design a custom portfolio mapped strictly to the personal cash flow needs of our clients. And because every client is different, the goal based investing for them is different based on their particular uh, position or condition in life. Third is maximum allocation, which is that we try to allocate most of their funds into structured products, like whether it be, if it's a retired person, then hybrid funds or debt funds or liquid funds, and some amount in multi-cap funds, etc. Make sure that most of their money is in liquid investments. We will For example, we will never suggest or guide any of the retired individuals to invest in, let's say, an AIF, because an AIF is mostly having a lock-in period of few years, but a retired person needs liquidity. Similarly, we will never give them unlisted shares kind of a thing. Even if they ask, we say that this is not suitable for you. So this kind of proper allocation to a proper client based on their goal, based on their goals and their life situation, is most important. And the focus is to have more than 10 plus years of vision, to be invested in that particular investment basket. And this is what gives us high commitment, so that for 10 plus years or 20 plus years of compounding can happen in a seamless manner, and that is what really creates long term wealth. Okay, now let's look at the myth that most people are floating around on social media, that if you have just 5 crore rupees, then you will be sorted in next 10-20 years, and that's just a random number that people are coming up for their retirement. But this is completely wrong, and this is why we call it the hope strategy, which is completely flawed. They think that they just start or assume a massive target corpus like a 5 crore rupees, and once you achieve 5 crore rupees, you are sorted for your retirement. But that's not how it works. They also assume that there will be a linear return of 10 to 12% per year if they just invest in an index fund and just forget it, right? But that doesn't really happen in real world. And they are also hoping that the monthly withdrawals that they will start through SWP, or most of the people don't even do SWP, they just withdraw money on the whims and fancies whenever they want after retirement. And eventually what happens is the principal becomes depleted over the years, and that too in a very short span. But the real proven way to do this in a proper systematic manner is the ISR strategy, okay, which is to start with exact monthly income that you need. So, for example, if your current monthly current monthly expenditure is, let's say, 60,000 rupees, and from let's say 5 years from now you're going to retire, which means that you will need 1 lakh rupees adjusted for inflation uh, to just continue the lifestyle that you are currently having, right? So you need to have a proper exact calculation for that. Secondly, we need to calculate the exact amount of stable low volatility capital required to protect this cash flow that will come through SWP. Third, based on all of this, we build a targeted corpus that guarantees the survival of the person, which is drastically lower than 5 crore rupees if we have a proper calculation. So let's look at what is the ISR strategy. That is the income stability ratio. This is the only number that dictates your portfolio survival. The formula for this is very simple. Stable income plus low volatility plus equity is annual withdrawal requirement, that is ISR. Okay, so let's look at this. This is the survival threshold, which means that you are in the comfortable zone where you are enjoying freedom when your withdrawals are stable and you never need to touch your growth assets during volatile period. Acceptable levels of strength or financial strength is when uh, it the returns remain normal and the inflation is tightly controlled. But the danger zone is essentially where there is a high risk of failure and depletion of the complete corpus, where the withdrawals are not sustainable through bad market sequences. Okay, so let's say if somebody wants 1 lakh rupee per month, the safety get to safely generate that kind of money, which is 12 lakhs per year, the ISR of 17.5 dictates a required corpus of 2.1 crore, which is less than half of 5 crore rupees, which very simply means that if you want 12 lakh rupees per year withdrawal in a safe and comfortable manner, you need approximately 2.1 crore rupees in lump sum investments, or you need to have that kind of corpus. We use the three bucket SWP architecture, which tells you how much money you need and where the money needs to be invested. So we have created these three buckets. Bucket number one is stability, which is 33% of the portfolio allocation. So as we said, for 1 lakh rupee per month withdrawal, you need 2.1 crore rupees of corpus. So 2.1 crore divided by 3 is around 70 lakh rupees. So 33% or 70 lakh rupees is invested in stability bucket. The horizon for this bucket is 0 to 3 years. The role of this bucket is to have immediate cash flow and to have absolute safety, and there will be no sell zone, which means that we will not sell this investment unless and until there is a real emergency in the client's life. Okay, and the assets in which the stability bucket will be liquid funds or ultra short term debt funds. Okay, and the objective this secures is that for the next 36 months the income of this clients is completely secured, and the withdrawal that will come, SWP that will come from this particular bucket. So the client has consistent revenue every single month without having to worry about market volatility. Now the second bucket is the income bucket. The horizon for this bucket is 3 to 7 years. The role is to provide stability, low volatility returns designed to refill bucket number 1. So the gains of bucket number 2 will refill bucket number 1, which in turn will go out as SWP. Okay, and the assets in the income bucket will be conservative hybrid funds, equity savings, low volatility, and multi-asset funds, which will generate consistent revenue or returns, but will have low volatility. And the third bucket is the growth bucket, which is another 33%, remaining 33%. Here the horizon is 10 plus years, and the role of this bucket is to beat inflation and create long-term compounding for the client, so that the client's wealth keeps on growing in spite of having an SWP active. The assets in the growth bucket will be flexi cap fund, large and mid cap fund, and long-term pure equity fund. Okay, so now the squirreling strategy, what we use is, or what we call it, the self-healing mechanism that can thrive and survive in any market condition. So when the markets are good or the years are good, what we do is we don't spend the excess equity amount. The harvest gains or the returns from bucket number 3 goes into investing the assets in bucket number 2, and the returns from bucket number 2 goes into bucket number 1, which provides more stability. And as I said, from bucket number 1 the SWP will keep on continuing. So this ensures that we will always maintain a 3 years of cash flow in the bucket number 1 or stability bucket. And let's say there are years when the market crashes, that in that time we have to focus on survival. So when the markets or equities fall and volatility increases, you are never forced to sell bucket number 3 assets at the bottom of the market, and bucket number 1 continues to pay your monthly income without any interruption, and your portfolio survives through any kind of market volatility. So this is the reason why this portfolio structure is a long-term inflation fighter. So if you see, most retirement calculators break because they assume flat withdrawal rates, which means that people will just put the money in debt funds and start an SWP. But that is not the right way to do it. The 3-bucket model assumes that the rising cost requires rising income, which means your wealth portion should keep on increasing even though you are running an SWP on your portfolio. So for this, we have engineered this system where, based on historical rolling data, with this particular strategy, even if you increase your payout by 6% every year to beat inflation, your wealth will keep on growing. So for example, in year 1 you are withdrawing 1 lakh per month, in year 2 you are withdrawing 1 lakh 6,000 per month, and year 3 you are withdrawing 1 lakh 12,000 rupees per month. Still your growth bucket is continuing to grow your wealth. So this hybrid bucket strategy acts as the stabilizer, while the long-term equity engine continuously regenerates the portfolio's baseline. Okay, so this is how the 3-bucket strategy is used by Auris Wealth to give a consistent revenue to our retired clients, but also help them to keep on growing their wealth through the 3-bucket strategy. So my request to you is, if you are an investor or you are planning to invest, irrespective of whatever your age is, we have investors from the age of 22 till the age of 75. Okay, but my request will be to stop guessing how to invest your hard-earned money and create a proper stable portfolio, and start building a structured manner using professional guidance like the guidance that we provide to our clients. Now you know that how the entire strategy works. Now it is your time to build your own portfolio. Okay, so for that, you can book an exclusive portfolio review and guidance call with our wealth partners at Auris Wealth absolutely for free, and we will calculate your exact ISR and help you create your own strategy for lifelong financial freedom and wealth creation. Okay, and trust me, once the clients have started working with us, experience the way that Auris Wealth is helping them grow their wealth and manage their finances, they have seen a huge change in their life. So you can also see the exact change in your and your family's wealth creation journey. Just book this free portfolio review and guidance call with us. It is absolutely free. You don't have to pay us anything. It is also online, so you don't have to go anywhere. We will do this entire meeting on Google Meet. Okay, so go ahead, click the link in the description box and book your date and time for the portfolio review and guidance call today itself, because there are limited slots available. If you found value in this video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to YouTube channel of ours at Auris Wealth, because we bring this kind of video on a daily basis for your knowledge. And also, if you have any doubts, then do let us know in the comment section below. We will give the explanation to those doubts as well. And also share this video in your friends and family WhatsApp group, so that they can also benefit from this knowledge. Thank you so much in advance for liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Goodbye.